Alright guys, let's deliver a hot tub to a beautiful backyard entertainment area. We're going to get some aerial footage as well as some ground level footage on this delivery. Now this is a Jauzzi J-335 hot tub. We have it on its side on a Teflon slider as we bring it through a gate. Now this hot tub is a 2020 model. It is 84 inches by 84 inches. It's 36 inches tall. It can hold about 350 gallons of water, and it weighs over 750 pounds, 350 kg. And one of the nice features of the Jauzzi Premium line is the plastic pan bottom. It's probably 4 to 6 inches thick, and it makes it very easy to slide around on concrete or pavers or whatever. And then it also will not rot because it's plastic. Also, because the way it's designed, it allows you to get your hand up underneath the side panels and be able to grab enough to lower it down to the ground. After which, we will slide it into position. And then, let's take a look at this same move from the sky. I flew my drone, and we'll get some cool footage from above. Well, there you go. Another successful hot tub delivery. No one was injured, the tub was not damaged, and the homeowners have a very nice tub. Very affordable because it was a pre-owned tub, and it also matches their motif and their aesthetic out there in their backyard, which is pretty cool. Blue pool, blue shell, brown highlights, and brown side panels. And there you go. I like it. I hope you enjoyed it. And that is some good stuff.